morning, Cougars. My name is Kevin. Welcome to this month's news recap.
And my name is Angel. We hope you have all been great during these cold and rainy times.
In this busy episode, we will cover more details about our Unity Week, the Color Guard Drumline, the cheer competitions, the Poetry Out Loud Award, sports and spirit updates, and much more. Before we get to our lead stories, here's a quick reminder for Finals Week.
Finals are scheduled next week on Thursday the 16th and Friday the 17th. First and fourth period finals fall on Thursday, while second and third period finals fall on Friday.
If you have a year-long class, Thursday is classified as a B-Day, so you will attend your B-Day classes on the 16th. Thursday and Friday are also early release days with the 12:30 release. Good luck on your tests, and now to the lead stories.
During the week of February 14th through the 17th, our Unity Week was put on by many of our students and presenters from our community. Unity Week is specially devoted towards individual cultures and the different walks of life. As a definition, unity means being united and coming together as one, which is what these presentations emphasize.
From the variety of presentations by guest speakers and organizations to trying new things and learning, we were able to have a look into the different cultures that are celebrated here on campus. Thank you to everyone who's participated, and we hope you all had an amazing time. Here's a look back on the Unity Week Assembly that wraps up the inspirational week.
La unidad empieza contigo.
Ang pagkakaisa ay magsisimula sa'yo.
الوحدة بتبلش معك.
I'm okay, see-through skin. I forgive what is within, 'cause I'm in this house, I'm in this hole all my time.
Whoa! Cover your crystal eyes and feel the tones that trample down your spine. Whoa! Cover your crystal eyes and let your colors bleed and blend with mine.
In the past few weeks, Color Guard, Drumline, and our competitive cheer team have had opportunities to compete outside of our school. Our cheer team not only performed their routine for nationals at SSU, they traveled down to Anaheim to represent Rancho at nationals. Great job, Cougars. You should all be so proud.
Our Drumline and Color Guard also completed recently and secured the first place trophy for their amazing work. These two impressive teams put in countless hours of work and rehearsal during each school week to give top-notch performances, and they delivered with flying colors. Congratulations to all the students involved.
Next, our very own Jacob Poor performed at Sonoma State University in the Poetry Out Loud competition in February. Jacob had an amazing showing of support from the Cougar community and took home first place while moving forward to the state finals. We hope to give a big shout out to Jacob, as well as Ms. Brandenburg, for incorporating this wonderful event into Rancho's environment. Here's a quick glimpse at Jacob's performance.
Tell 10 friends who can tell 10 friends who can tell 10 friends. Make enough noise. Maybe the grown-ups will finally hear the scream in the title.
And our final lead story for this episode involves the tragic events at Montgomery High School last week. On March 8th, a Rancho student took part in a demonstration to emphasize safety within our school districts. Student safety is always top priority, and it is powerful to see students share their voices in solidarity with their peers in the Rancho Santa Rosa City School District. Thank you to those who participated peacefully and joining together in these challenging times. As we wrap up our lead stories, here's Kat with a look at our winter sports team seasons as well as a look ahead to the spring.
Hi everyone! With spring sports underway, our winter sports had some great seasons that all wrapped up in recent weeks. Both girls and boys varsity soccer and basketball were able to make it to the first round of playoffs, but just barely missed the mark for the next round. Making playoffs is an incredible achievement, and we can't wait to see the next year it has in store for our returning winter athletes. Following up with winter sports, spring sports are now in action. Track, softball, baseball, tennis, swimming, and lacrosse are all starting their seasons. Spring is a wonderful time to come outside and catch a sporting event and support your classmates. Be sure to look at our upcoming games and events on our school's Instagram page or Max Preps. Good luck, Cougars, with the start of your seasons, and see you out there.
Thank you, Kat. Now here is Abdul with the most recent Spirit update.
Our Versus Spirit Week is coming up. It will take place the week after spring break. The Spirit Days are as follows. Monday will be Swole versus Slump, dress up in either activewear or loungewear. Tuesday will be Mathletes versus Athletes. Wednesday will be Neon versus Blackout. Thursday will be Country versus Country Club. And Friday will be Class versus Class. Make sure to dress up and get your class some points. Reminder that executive board elections have been moved to March 28th, so grab an application at the Student Activities Center.
Well, that about wraps up this newscast. Thank you for tuning in to this monthly episode of RNN.
We will see you all next time. And remember, have a great rest of your week.
Look at you go. Okay, you go. Look. Go. Go. Look at you go. Okay, you bumming. Look. Yeah.